On October 24th, the internet was shocked by the news that BTS V's album Layover was accused of plagiarism. Some fans began speculating that V BTS album was similar to the work of one of SM Entertainment's artists, Taemin. Many netizens began to feel that Taemin then unreleased album, titled Guilty, had a very similar concept to V BTS Layover album. This accusation made the hashtag #plagiarizing Layover immediately trend on the social media platform Twitter. On October 24, 2022, the hashtag garnered 82,000 tweets discussing the plagiarism allegations, and many netizens demanded that SM Entertainment provide an explanation and apology regarding this issue. One netizen even connected the plagiarism allegations to an episode of Suga's show Suchwada. This netizen mentioned that when BTS V guest starred on the show, Suga seemed to give clues regarding the possibility of this plagiarism. The Twitter account believes that BTS Suga had previously known that BTS V's Layover album might be plagiarized by other artists in the future. This hint was revealed when the rapper mimicked a segment from a television show along with V BTS. Initially, the Twitter account stated that many artists wanted to be like V BTS. However, Suga BTS clue words came when V and Suga parroted a segment from South Korea's popular weekly music show, Music Bank.
That's it, the end of the song.
The netizen argued, didn't Taemin, V, and Suga show in the episode of Suchwada that many wanted to emulate Taemin? Essentially, this accusation created a heated discussion among music fans and netizens alike, with many awaiting clarification from the concerned parties regarding the similarity in concept between BTS V's Layover album and Taemin's upcoming album Guilty. The likelihood of lawsuits related to these plagiarism allegations largely depends on various factors, including the available evidence and the willingness of the concerned parties to pursue legal action. In a case like this, some of the things to consider are evidence of plagiarism, copyright and law, intent and agreement, damages and loss, and willingness of the related party. Thus, if there is enough evidence and motivation to proceed, the possibility of lawsuits against the plagiarism allegations as mentioned in the previous news is possible. However, as the case progresses, lawyers, courts, and related parties will consider various factors before deciding whether the case is worth taking to the legal realm. Please, Lord, give me a sign.